Hello everybody. So right now I'm on part 2 of genetics. I only just need to get through part 1 of botany and call it a day. Right now I'm cooking some eggplants in one eggplant in the air fryer. I'm gonna make some torta and yeah. Been a long day today, guys. Like if you would look at my planner, what? So many things that happened. Also, long time no see. It's been a while since I did this. The last time I actually really filmed something was I was senior high school, and now I'm 21. I'm in college. I'm third year nursing, USD still. I'm on my second semester of third year, so we're gonna be in fourth year soon. I tell you guys, time flies so fast. And just, yeah, I'm preparing for NMAT. That's why I'm studying these things. And yeah, we got like a month and I don't know, a month and like 10 days, 11, 12, I don't know. But like it's a month before the exams and I need to lock the hell in. So we're gonna do that. And so also I have a short hair now. What do you think about it? So yeah, let's lock in.
So, I saw this one TikTok. Basta yung caption niya was, 100 people versus gawa namin ng paraan na aral ka lang dyan ng mabuti. Oh my god. Wala lang. Miss my parents, guys. What the hell?